Hello, my name is Cindy Lorena Chavarro Morales. I study Occupational Health Management in Unito University. I read about William Henry Gates' series, better known as Bill Gates. He is my favorite character because he is a businessman, computer expert. He is co-founder of the software company Microsoft with Paul Allen. His fortune is estimated at 79 and 200,000 billions according to Forbes magazine. Mate is defined as the richest man in the world. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.